Hello, the students of class 8, welcome to Chatu Shodhar Virtual School. How are you, learners? Hope you are safe and secured by the grace of Almighty Creators. I am also fine. Today I am with you. This is Hirendra Devnath, assistant teacher English working at Paramaja Girls High School. Dear learners, you know our classes are not held from 18 March 2020 due to coronavirus. So, for the convenience of your studies, our Honorable Upazila Education Officer has taken a decision to continue classes through such a virtual school named Chatu Shodhar Virtual School. Dear learners, today I would love to discuss a lesson from your English for Today book. I hope you will enjoy the class with your full attention. Okay, before declaration of our today's topic, I will show you some pictures and some sentences. I hope if you see the pictures and listen to the sentences, you can easily guess our today's topic. A suitcase without wheels. A suitcase with wheels. So, learners, I ask you, can you guess which one is easier to move and why? I know you can guess. So your answer is yes, a suitcase with wheel is easier to move because of its wheel. So learners, follow the pictures. What are these? Okay, you can guess these are wheel. So learners, I ask you, can you guess what our today's lesson might be? Our today's lesson is The Wheel, Unit 9, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes. What will you learn after completing the lesson? Ask and answer questions. Read and understand text. Fill in the gaps. Before going through the text, I will discuss some keywords. Let's know the keywords. Circulars. This is a picture of circular. So the meaning of it, shaped like a circle. Next one, rotate. This is a picture of rotate. So the meaning of it, interchange or revolve. Axis, and this is the picture of axis, and the meaning of it, axle or orbit. And propeller. This is a picture of propellers, and the meaning of it, something rotate or wheel. Turbine. This is the picture of turbine, and its meaning is a type of machine which is used to generate power. Mobility. This is the picture of mobility, and the meaning of it is movement or speed. Journey. This is the picture of journey, and the meaning of it is trip or voyage. civilization. This is the earlier civilization and this is the modern civilization. So the meaning of it is a gradual development of era. Now I will read the text. Dear learners, you should listen to me. What are these, dear learners? These are car, plane, computer, microscope, camera and mobile phone. Human beings have invented many important things so far. Dear learners, for the betterment of your understanding, I will tell the meaning of the sentences in Bangla. So, the meaning of the first sentence is মানব জাতি অনেক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জিনিস এই পর্যন্ত আবিষ্কার করেছে। They have brought great civilization to the world through these inventions. তারা এনেছে বিরাট সভ্যতা পৃথিবীতে এই সমস্ত আবিষ্কারের মাধ্যমে। Do you know which invention is the greatest? তুমি কি জানো কোন আবিষ্কারটা সবচেয়ে বৃহৎ? It is the wheel. এটা হলো চাকা। A wheel is a circular object. চাকা হলো একটা বৃত্তাকার বস্তু। It can rotate around its axis. এটা চাকার কক্ষপথে, এটা একটা কক্ষপথে ঘুরতে পারে, আবর্তন করতে পারে, and help easy movement of things across a surface. এবং সহজ চলাচলে সাহায্য করে জিনিসের across a surface, ভূপৃষ্ঠের উপরে। The wheels are in fact everywhere. মূলত চাকা সব জায়গায় আছে। They are on our cars, trains, wagons and so on. তারা আছে গাড়িতে, রেলগাড়িতে, মালবাহী গাড়িতে এবং অন্যত্র। Besides, they are on most factories and farm equipments. তাছাড়াও তারা আছে অধিকাংশ কারখানাতে এবং কৃষি যন্ত্রপাতিতে। Fans, propellers, turbines are also other types of wheel. পাখা, প্রপেলার এবং টারবাইনও অন্যান্য ধরনের চাকা। So, the wheel is very important. তাই চাকা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। We can't imagine modern life without wheels. আমরা চাকা ছাড়া বর্তমান জীবন, আধুনিক জীবন চিন্তাই করতে পারি না। But do you know exactly who made the first wheel? আমরা কি জানি কে সর্বপ্রথম চাকা আবিষ্কার করেছে? Dear learners, I hope you have got the idea from the text. Now I will evaluate your understanding by these questions. So go to section B and below the text you will find these questions. Now you will answer of these questions. Answer the following questions. What is a wheel? Dear learners, you can easily find the answers of these questions in the text. So the answer of the first question is a wheel is a circular object. Question number B, what can a wheel do? A wheel can rotate around its axis and help easy movement of things across a surface. Number C. Where can you find wheels? We can find wheels everywhere, on automobiles, on most factory and farm equipments. Okay, dear learners, this is the time for your homework. Please let me announce the topic of your homework. Read the above text and fill in the gaps with contextually appropriate words. A wheel is a dash object which has brought a dash change in the arena of communication. It has reduced our time and distance, and thus we are highly dash to dash which dash the uses of wheel. Dear learners, please do the homework at home. That's all for today. Thank you again for participating with me. If you want to enjoy the class again, you should visit our Facebook page, Chatpur Swadhar Virtual School, and you can comment there also. Finally, I ask you, we should pray to God to save us quickly. Please stay home, stay safe, follow the instructions given by the government, and enjoy the classes served by the respected teachers. Bye.